His Excellency, distinguished guests, Dr. Lee Chung-chun, our distinguished guest speaker, Dr. Chung Hon Han, Dr. Ryan Lee, Dr. Vidyaus, Dr. Sinapur, Dr. Shins, and honorable guests, BTI's management team, respected professor, lecturer, staff, students, and all beloved BTI's families members. Good afternoon, and a very warm welcome to Prajnasastra Technology Institute. 여러분, 안녕하십니까? Today is a meaningful and memorable day for BTI. On behalf of the management team, professor, student, staff, and entire BTI's family, I would like to express my profound honors and sincere pleasure in welcoming all distinguished guests and delegates to our institute here in Chumamon City, Kampong Speu Province, Kingdom of Cambodia. In particular, we are deeply honored to welcome Dr. Lee Chung-chun, the distinguished guest, the designers and president of a remarkable brand, who has kindly accepted our invitation to share his valuable experience and wisdom with our students on the topics, the impact of creative ideas. Your presence today is not only a visit to BTI, but also a gift of knowledge, inspiration, and international friendship to our students and academics community. Creativity is one of the most powerful forces in the modern world. A creative idea can change the product, a business, a community, a country, and even a person's destiny. For our students, creativity is not only about design or beauty. It is about seeing problems differently, finding new solutions, building confidence, and transforming ordinary effort into extraordinary achievement. At BTI, we believe that education should not only give students knowledge from textbooks. Education must also open their minds, strengthen their character, and inspire them to become capable, ethical, and creative human resources for Cambodia and the wider world. Therefore, today's topic is truly important for our students, especially young people in Kampong Speu Province who are preparing themselves for future careers in business, technology, management, finance, public administration, law, English, and other professional fields. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, today, while I warmly welcome all delegates, I would like to take this special opportunity to express my deepest gratitude to one person whose support has had a very meaningful impact on my academic life and personal journey. That person is Dr. Chung Hon Han. Please give him a big hand. In 2013, while I was pursuing my PhD in Korea at Inha University, there was a moment when I almost gave up. The journey of doctoral study was not easy. It required not only intelligence, but also patience, sacrifice, discipline, emotional strength, and strong encouragement from the right people. During that difficult time, Dr. Chung Hon Han became one of my stronger inspirations, motivator. He gives me encouragement, when my spirit was weak. He reminded me to continue when I feel tired. He injected more powers into my heart and mind until I was able to move forward and finally complete my PhD successfully. There's an old saying, with the right support from the right friend, you can stand tall. That saying is very true in my life. Behind many successful people, there's always people who give them strength, guidance, hope, and courage at the right time. For me, Dr. Chung Hon Han is one of the most important people that support me all the way. Therefore, in front of our distinguished guests today, in front of BTI management team, professors, students, and BTI family members, I would like to say sincerely, thank you very much, Dr. Chung Hon Han, for your tireless support, your inspiration, your encouragement. Your support was not only academic support, it was human support. It helped me stand tall, continue my journey, and achieve what once seems very difficult. I would also like to express my sincere appreciation to Dr. Riley present here today, Dr. Viryayus, Dr. Senyap U, Dr. Sin. Your support, guidance, and friendship also contribute greatly to making my PhD journey possible and successful. I will always remember your kindness and your meaningful contribution to my academics achievement. To our students, I want you to learn one important lesson from this story. Success is not achieved alone. No matter how strong we are, there are moments when we need teachers, mentors, friends, families, and good people around us. Therefore, choose good people, respect your teacher, listen to your mentors, value those who support you. And when you become successful, do not forget to support others along the way. A university is not only a place where students receive knowledge. A university is also a place where inspiration is passed from one generation to another. Today, the presence of our Korean distinguished guest is a living example of friendship, international cooperation, creativity, and life inspiration. Their journey and experiences can help our students understand that success begins from ideas, but achievements come from discipline, persistence, and the courage to continue. To our beloved BTI student, I strongly encourage you to listen carefully today. Do not only listen with your ears, but also listen with your heart and your ambitions. The ambition that we want to learn, the curiosity that we want to know many new things along the way of our life. Take today's sharing as a seed of inspiration. One idea you hear today may become a project tomorrow. One sentence may change your mindset. One example may give you courage to start something new. One inspiring person may become a model for your future. Cambodia needs young people with creative ideas. Kampong Speu needs young people who can think, lead, serve, and innovate. BTI needs students who are not afraid to dream, not afraid to work hard, and not afraid to develop themselves step by step. Creativity without actions is only imagination, but creativity with discipline and commitment can become a real achievement. Once again, on behalf of Pragya Sastra Technology Institute, I would like to extend my warmest welcome to Dr. Lee Chung Chung, Dr. Chung Hon Han, Dr. Ryan Lee, Dr. Virat Yus, Dr. Sanjuk Ul, and Dr. Sins, and all distinguished delegates. Thank you for your valuable time, friendships, and contribution to our students and institution. Before I close my remark, allow me to share one final thought from the heart. We thank you most sincerely, Dr. Lee Chung Chung, and distinguished delegate for the precious time, energy, and goodwills you have so generously devoted to us today. On behalf of the entire BTI family, our management team, professor, lecturer, staff, and student, we already look forward with warmth to the honor of welcoming you once again to our campus. We are confident that this afternoon marks not an ending, but the very first chapter of a lasting journey of shared knowledge, mutual understanding, sincere friendship, and close cooperation. It is our heartfelt wish that the good understanding and friendship born here today will remain alive in our hearts and continue to flourish even more strongly for the enduring benefits and prosperity of our two beloved nation. I also sincerely thank BTI management team, professor, lecturer, staff, and student for your presence and active participation in this meaningful event. May today's session bring new ideas, new inspirations, the new motivation to all of us. I wish all distinguished guests, delegate, professor, student, and BTI families member a good health, happiness, success, and a meaningful learning experience today. Thank you very much.